You can easily sort data in Excel. First, select the cells containing the data you want to sort. Click on Home tab. Click the drop-down at Sort and Filter. Select how to sort your data. Check this box. Select Sort. And the data is sorted in ascending order. Also, you can sort letters or words. All you need to do is select the data you want to sort. Click on Home tab. Select the drop-down Add Sort and Filter. Select how you want to sort your data. Check the box. Continue with the current selection. Click Sort. And this is sorted starting from the highest letter to the lowest. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.